Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get time jumpers in Cookie Run Kingdom. These handy items let you instantly clear stages you've already 3-starred, saving you precious time and stamina. To unlock time jumpers, you first need to complete World Exploration Stage 4-1. Once unlocked, several methods become available to consistently acquire them for your kingdom. One of the most consistent ways to get time jumpers is through balloon expeditions. After clearing Episode 8, send your strongest cookies on longer expeditions for better rewards. You can also visit the Arena Medal Shop. Here, you can buy 5 time jumpers for 250 medals, with up to 6 purchases available per restock, refreshing every 3 days. Don't forget about the Cookie Alliance. By actively playing alliance battles instead of skipping them, you can earn time jumpers as rewards. Make sure to claim both available reward chests after each run for maximum gains. Additionally, check the Rainbow Pearl Gallery, where you can purchase 3 time jumpers for 300 rainbow pearls, with up to 18 units available per restock. Keep an eye out for special in-game events and developer-released coupon codes, as these often provide free time jumpers. To maximize your collection, focus on consistent daily activities like balloon expeditions and Cookie Alliance. Regularly check the Medal Shop and Rainbow Pearl Gallery for their restocks. By combining these methods, you'll quickly build a healthy supply.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.